Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Motorola Moto Z3 Play, for the first you have get the application to transfer data. So let's go to the Google Play Store and download the application of the name the CLONEit. And if you do, just open this application on the both devices. And right now tap sender on the Android device because we are sending data from this smartphone to this smartphone, and receiver on your Motorola Moto Z3 Play. Let's click on the search again. Tap on the Android share icon and choose the way to connect. You can input the password or scan the QR code. I'm going to scan the code. Accept the request, and if you want to take everything from your Android phone to Motorola, just select all of these icons here: the system settings, video, music, app, photo and contact. But that is the only example, so I'm going for the details right here, and I'm gonna pick the two songs, Circles for the Post Malone and the League of Legends Rise, and tap on the start right here. Okay, it is importing and it's finished. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and of course subscribe to our channel.